What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can move parts of your drawing in Miro, and this is really interesting. So let's say you draw something in Miro, and I'm going to select the draw tool again, and let's use a pen, and maybe let's use a highlighter this time and just kind of make something underneath. Right, let's do something like that. Let's say I put that, and if you want to basically, let's say, remove parts, you can easily go ahead and remove it. It doesn't matter what. All you have to do is go ahead and you click on the select tool, and the select tool can allow you to move whatever it is, and you can move them and put them how you want, right? Because the select tool is going to allow you to even, rotate and do whatever it is that you want to do with those different things that you have, right? So I can move them and put them wherever I want. As you can see, have a look at this. Let's say I want to remove, for example, the smiley face or whatever from it. I can click it too, and I can even click and delete and remove it. So for example, like that, I can take this and I can put it somewhere else, right? I can put it somewhere else, and I can even like rotate it if I want to. Have a look at that. See? So you can put it different location. The eyes, I can remove it. I can delete that somewhere else. It's a really cool thing to know that if you draw something, you can always remove or change or do whatever it is afterwards. I can make this up if I want, and look at this. I can take this from the D and put it wherever I want. I can turn it into a P or something like that. So you get a general idea, guys, and that's how you can easily go ahead and do it. You can even make it longer. You can edit it by make it longer and set it like that. You get the general idea. All right, so if you want to know how you can easily, let's say, change your drawings or edit parts of your drawings in Miro, this is how you can do it by using the select tool in Miro. Hope you found that useful. If you do, give this video a like. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.